Hello everyone, I am Anjana Verma from Computer Science Department in SIRT Excellence. I am going to give a small presentation about my subject software engineering, which is in the scheme of RGPV for 4th unit as CS403 software engineering. In this subject, RGPV covers 5 units. In first unit, the student will learn basic knowledge of the software engineering. What is software development life cycle? Means when we are producing a product or software engineer producing a product, they have to follow life cycle of software. What are the steps of the life cycle of software? Different types of models they will learn in this unit. They will also learn what are the myths about the software according to the customer, according to the manager, according to the developer. In second unit, they will learn how to plan, how to analysis the requirement of customer. What are the strategies of the requirement analysis? In third unit, they will learn if customer or producer decided for a project or they will produce some product. So what are the designing for that project? That is, they will prepare UML like class diagram, like ER diagram, like use case diagram, sequence diagram. There are so many types of UML diagrams by which they can understand the project more and more. After that, they will develop in any language like Java, C++, .NET, Python, R. They will produce the project. And after that, in fourth unit, they will test their project. They will test the customer requirement is meet or not in their product. Otherwise, no use of that product. Customer required one thing and you are doing work, but for the another thing, that no use. The time and then efforts and the money will go waste. So test and evaluate the product which should fulfill or satisfy the customer. After that, in first unit, the student will learn regarding the maintenance of the software. When you deliver your software, so you have to give some maintenance, you have to give some warranty for this, and the tools which are applied, like software quality assurance tool. There are case tools. There are so many tools. They will learn in fifth unit. The main objective of the software engineering is to develop a software with methodology, with some technology, because they are software engineers with the high quality in low cost with the help of software development life cycle. With learning software, student can apply their knowledge in the real life problems. During this learning, they can solve their problems, how to apply, how to plan, how to analysis. In SDLC, their techniques and methodology, they can innovate some new techniques and methodology for the software development. They can work in different domains. They can work in hospital management as well as they can work in financial management. They can work in different domains. And in learning software, student work individual or part of team, they can apply new technologies and tools which are necessary for the software engineering practices. With this, I'm concluding this presentation, and I think it will help for the students to understand what they will learn in software engineering.